Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make fajita seasoning. It's a perfect homemade blend that goes well with any Mexican dishes. So if you're ready, let's get stirring. In a small bowl, you'll want to add in chili powder, onion powder, dry oregano, sea salt, paprika, ground cumin, sugar, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. And then you'll want to give it a nice mix to combine well. After mixing, you will need to grab an airtight glass container and a small funnel and slowly pour in the seasoning mixture. You can double the recipe if you would like. This can be stored up to 2 years. The measurements are in the description box down below. Like and subscribe so you will get my latest videos. Bye!